Welcome to another video, guys. This is Betty, my 2015 Ford F-250. I hope y'all enjoy. One of the things that I was most excited about when I found this truck was the combination of a black exterior color and a very light tan interior color. So there's only a few things that are done aftermarket to my F-250. First, there's a gooseneck hitch. There's also a toolbox in the bed. I have airbags under the rear axle to help me when I'm towing. There's also the bushwhacker fender flares, and I also have installed some LED light bars in the grille. The most recent thing I installed on this truck was the 50-gallon fuel tank here. Pleasure having y'all. We're going to be doing some major things coming up soon to this truck, so stay tuned for more. Thanks.